you want to make this or this sort of movie poster design by the help of the AI or ChatGPT, this video is for you. So let's get started. So at first you have to upload image here, add photo or files over there. Suppose I'm adding photo of any sort of face. Suppose it could be like this or this face. This is my image, and after uploading that you can write over there this sort of prompt. So this prompt is in detail prompt, and after adding the prompt, ChatGPT is providing me this sort of image, which is really professional movie poster design. And after that, if you don't have any prompt, you can write down prompt by the help of ChatGPT. Suppose I written over there, I need a movie poster, hyper realistic movie poster, and make in detail prompt. Suppose primary key light, then backlighting, and the cinematic, everything you have to say over there. Suppose in this portion, this is the chatting thread, because of when you upload one photo and you can provide prompt. This is the thread. I just uploaded a photo one time and I just provided the prompt several times. ChatGPT is providing me lots of things. Suppose this one is another movie poster, I tried over there, and that is another one. So now try. Already I uploaded one image, and now I will make the prompt at first, and then I will say to ChatGPT by making or to making movie poster. Suppose make in-depth prompt of making romantic movie poster by the make in-depth prompt of making romantic movie poster like Hollywood movie. Then I'll make a comma or write a comma over there. Act like professional movie poster designer. Light, multiple character, ambient, no text. No text is important because of if you don't provide here the no text, some text which is not good or you wouldn't be like to use that, ChatGPT will ChatGPT will provide you the prompt over text over there. And if you don't have text, you have to edit text in Photoshop after getting the image. Then natural scene, etc. So hitting the enter, and after that ChatGPT will provide me an in detail prompt over there. So prompt is like that, and okay, environment and everything, cinematic style, and make one paragraph, writing over there one paragraph. The ChatGPT will make one paragraph over there. So that is the all of things. And creating hyper realistic cinematic romantic movie poster featuring a man, woman, their 20s. Okay, fine. Copying this one and pasting over there, and we will add another thing like count or use the image as a face. So reference face. Fine. And after that, going to the tools, create an image, and just enter over there. Let's see what type of poster they are providing to me. And if you are using the free chat gpt, it will take lots of time, or if you are not using you are using the paid version, it will take the smallest time to generate photo. And you have the option to add 2 or 3 photos in free version. And the paid version, there are lots of options. I'm using here free version. That's why don't worry, you can try these at home to with your face, or with your character, which character or which face you want to use for your movie posters and etc., which is really cool. And if you don't know how to use prompt or how to make prompt, you have to define, or you have to tell to ChatGPT what sort of parameter will be in a movie poster. Suppose light, characters, and everything. Suppose here I provided here I don't have any prompt over there. I just tell ChatGPT the character styling and environment and background, lighting, and color tone and everything. And the previous one I just told her the action over there, and it is provided a long prompt here as well, and in this portion as well. Suppose this one, and the first one, which one I got over there. So if you don't have prompt, or if you don't know how to create prompt, or if you don't know the prompt engineering, don't worry about that. You have to tell ChatGPT just those things will be appear. Suppose lights, character, and etc. will be in your images. And before you have to make a prompt, and after making the prompt, you have to upload the photo. Use the image as a reference face or reference character. You can tell these sort of things in starting of the prompt, and after that it will provide you the image over there. So let's do the refresh. So I refresh my window, and after refreshing the window, the poster is like that. So it could be a romantic movie poster. And let's try something horror type poster. Make action. Horror is the simple things, and I would like to make the thriller, action thriller poster, like Hollywood top movie type. Act like a pro prompt engineer, and make depth prompt with lights and everything. Prompt with light, many characters, lots of character will use over there, characters, and backlit, and then war effect. Then it could be like action pose. So that's good. And now I would add some like perspective, design, grammar, balance, let's see what sort of prompt they are providing, and we'll modify that prompt. Okay, they provided the lighting, pose, focus and everything. Then I'll say make them one paragraph. Let's see the one paragraph they will provide, and then after making the paragraph, I only tell her the at first of use the image as a reference, main reference face, then comma, and going to the tools over there, generate image. Let's see what sort of action thriller poster ChatGPT could provide us. I already got some outstanding result already, that is proven, and when I'm doing this in a live, then let's see what will be or what is providing over there. Again I want to tell one thing. In a free version, you have the limitation to upload image. You have a limit, only 3 images to upload, and the generation of image, that is 10. That's why I just uploaded one time of my photo, and providing images several times. And if you are a paid user, you'll get lots of options over there, and you can make lots of images, lots of posters, and lots of things over there. So that's the difference between the paid version and the free version. I'm using here the free version. So this poster is loading. Let's see what the result is upcoming in this window. So our image already generated. Yeah, that is the Hollywood type poster, which is really nice. You can download that poster. That will be the PNG format, and then going to the Photoshop, going to the open options, and I'll download that image, and then going to the filter, and then camera filter. And after going to camera filter, you can adjust the light a little bit, contrast a little bit, and saturation a little bit over there. And you have some preset. You can use preset to make your poster more realistic or more vibrant, like this, and hit OK. You got your posters, and you can write down name over there. You can write down the movie name. You can upload multiple characters, and those character will be reference character or reference face of the poster, and in this way you can make easily the movie poster by the help of the ChatGPT. So that's all for today. Hope that you like a lot this video and you learn a lot from this video. If you did, please thumbs up and share with your friend. And if you have any sort of questions, query or request, please do comment in my video comment section. Until the next video, Arif signing out today. Stay safe, stay healthy, keep me in your prayers, and bye bye. Started with a camera, capturing the light as a mirror's journey, shining so bright from the pixels to the screens, painting the world with every click. His creativity swirl as a Arif, a dreamer with a plan, transforming the world pixel by pixel. Man, in emotion still, his art is alive. With every new design, he continues to thrive as an Arif. The creator watching rhymes when he designed their life with vision in his eyes. From youth into the world, his name will ignite, a creative force shining through the night. With a camera in hand, his mind on fire. He's the design of the artist, the one we admire as an Arif, forever.